Speech on Culture Day. Respected teachers and dear friends, good morning to everyone. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate Culture Day, a very special occasion that reminds us of who we are and where we come from. Culture is not just about food, clothes, or festivals. It is about our values, traditions, language, art, and the way we live together as a community. It connects us with our history and teaches us to respect diversity. On Culture Day, we celebrate the beauty of different customs, traditions, and lifestyles. It is a time to show respect for our heritage and also to learn about the cultures of others. This helps us build love, tolerance, and unity in our society. As students, it is our responsibility to preserve our culture by speaking our mother tongue with pride, respecting our elders, and passing on traditions to the next generation. At the same time, we should also be open to learning from other cultures, because diversity makes the world more colorful and meaningful. In conclusion, Culture Day is not just a celebration, it is a reminder that our culture is our identity. Let us take pride in it, protect it, and share it with the world. Thank you.